Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, heated steering wheel, compass, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.